How to avoid unexpected delays and costs on your home remodeling project. Hi, I'm Brad Hogan with Hogan Design and Construction, your trusted remodeling guide. We like to focus on making sure that the design is done well on the front end, which allows for us to limit the amount of delays and cost creep. We do this by focusing in on the layouts and the details of how the room is going to be situated, along with the cabinetry detail, and then we'll work through the mechanicals, the lighting features and the heating and cooling. Finally, we're going to work through the finishes. You know, what type of tile is going in and what pattern is going to go in. And once all of that's completed, we will then order all of the materials, get them delivered on site, and schedule accordingly. We know that customers are often real excited to get the project started, and they'll say, when can you start? More importantly, we like to try to answer when we can finish. Start a project and finish it as quickly as possible so that you can get into using that space. For more information, visit our website at hdcbuild.com.